Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today I'm going to tell you how you can hide the receipt from overstock.com. But in more information, I want you to know that overstock.com is now rebranded to Bed and Beyond. You can read the history on Google of rebranding it, but we will, abbreviate it as BB at Bed Beyond. So let's move on to the screen. Here I am. Let's see if I am going to buy this product. If I am to look for this product, I got an order. Let's see. Simply click here. Select options with cane color. You will see this page and simply click on check out. And in the checkout section, you will see here the payment options. You will see this is add a gift message. When you click it, this item will be sent as a gift and the receipt will not be included in the parcel. So this is the way how you can hide the receipt on Bed Bath and Beyond, previously as Overstock. Thank you.